Hello, I'm Shinmai. Have you ever wondered the difference between 大きい and 大きな? For example, 大きい寿司 and 大きな寿司. What's the difference between these two? 大きい and 大きな. Both of them are the same meaning, big. You can use 大きな only before nouns. But 大きい can attach with not only before nouns, but also after nouns. The biggest feature of these two words are the Japanese tend to use 大きな with abstract words, another word, invisible matter, and 大きい with concrete words or visible matter. For example, what do you think when we say big problem in Japanese? Problem in Japanese is 問題. So, is 問題 visible or invisible? It's invisible. You can still say 大きい問題, but most Japanese prefer to say 大きな問題, since 問題 is abstract. If you see the problems with your eyes, then you can say it is a big problem. これは大きい問題です. Another example. If someone asks you to take a big sushi from the lane, 大きい寿司を取って. Since 大きい is more used with concrete words, the person has a specific sushi plate in his mind, so you might need to ask the person, which one do I need to pick, to confirm what in his mind. So how about if someone asks you, 大きな寿司を取って? Since 大きな is more used with abstract words, the person wants to have bigger sushi on the lane, but not a specific plate. Therefore, you can pick anything that you think bigger than others. Let's summarize. 大きい and 大きな. Both of them are the same meaning, big. 大きい can attach not only before nouns, but also after nouns. 大きな can only attach before nouns. 大きい often used with concrete words, and 大きな often used with abstract words. Please see another example for what abstract words and what concrete words. Of course, this principle can apply for 小さい and 小さな, small, too. The difference between 大きい and 大きな is just the last syllable, い or な, but the nuance itself is a big difference. 大きな違いですね. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. ありがとうございました.